Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making Tonkotsu Ramen. Let's start by making the broth. Soak the pig trotters and neck bones overnight to drain the remaining blood. Throw out old water and add new. Put water for about 2 inches high above the meat, then cover. Begin boiling and remove the scum that accumulates on top. Drain and wash your trotters, then add them to the pot with fresh water. Add shallots, yellow onions, garlic, ginger, and green onions. Boil at high heat for 30 minutes, then reduce to low heat for 12 to 16 hours. Constantly stir and check water level every hour or two and add water if necessary. Maintain water level from the meat around 2 inches high. Now we will be making the TARE. We will be using kombu, dried shiitake mushrooms, and bonito flakes. Add water and cover with cling wrap and soak for 12 hours or overnight in the fridge. Turn on the heat to medium. When it starts to simmer, remove from the heat and drain. Now add soy sauce, mirin, chashu sauce, and a lot of salt. This needs to be salty but not too salty. This is the seasoning agent of ramen, the sole source of salt in the soup. Now we will be making black garlic oil. Add rendered pork fat. I use the fat from chashu, or you can use any neutral oil. Add 2 tablespoons of dehydrated garlic chips, or you can use fresh garlic. Fry until medium dark brown. Separate half of the garlic and continue to cook the remaining half until almost black. from the oil and let it cool for 10 minutes. Add garlic chips to a pestle and crush to a fine powder. Add oil that you use to cook the garlic and keep crushing until it's a fine, oily consistency. For the toppings, boil wood ear mushrooms for a minute. Slice into thin strips. Finely chop green onions. You will need pork chashu. Please click the description to see how I made pork chashu. You can check the description how to make perfect soft-boiled ramen egg. Start assembling your bowl. Add the tare in a bowl and drizzle the black garlic oil. You can add more if you like. This will add a layer of flavor. Now strain and add the tonkotsu broth. Add ramen noodles. I bought this in an Asian store. Cook according to packaging instructions. Now add your toppings. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.